Welcome to our video where we explore the integration of AI in the construction industry. Today, we'll introduce an AI sample that demonstrates how this technology can enhance communication and efficiency on construction sites. Imagine a construction worker on site, needing quick information about a project, induction packs, site times and other important info. With AI, they can simply ask questions and receive instant, accurate responses, streamlining the workflow and reducing downtime significantly. In this demonstration, you'll see how AI can assist with tasks such as scheduling, resource management, and safety protocols. The AI voice will provide real-time updates and suggestions, ensuring the project stays on track. Incidentally, this video is also generated by us using AI. The AI system is designed to understand construction-specific terminology, making it a valuable tool for workers. It can interpret complex queries and provide solutions, enhancing decision-making processes and improving overall project outcomes. By integrating AI, construction sites can experience increased productivity and reduced errors. The AI voice acts as a virtual assistant, helping workers focus on their tasks while managing logistical challenges efficiently. Safety is a top priority in construction, and AI can play a crucial role in this aspect. It can monitor site conditions, alert workers to potential hazards, and ensure compliance with safety regulations, minimizing risks. As technology advances, AI will continue to evolve, offering even more sophisticated solutions for the construction industry. This demonstration is just the beginning of how AI can transform traditional practices into modern, efficient processes. Please listen to this demonstration call that we have created to highlight some of the features that can assist you. In this example, once the call is completed, the system automatically sends out the induction pack to the worker.
Hi, this is your RE Construction Site Assistant. I'm here to help with your induction, safety protocols, sick leave reporting, emergency contacts, and other on-site information. Let's start by gathering some of your details. Could you please provide your name, phone number, email address, trade, CSCS number, and its expiry date?
Yep, my name is Peter Pan. My telephone number is 01212 212 212. My email address is peterpan@gmail.com. My CSCS number is 123456, and its expiry date is 5th of October 2025.
Thank you for providing the information. Your CSCS number has been updated as 123456 with the expiry date of October 5th. 2025. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
Yes, I'm just about to start working on the construction site, so firstly I wanted to get the site address from you, please.
The site is located at 123 Construction Lane, London, NW12AB. If you require any more specific details or assistance, feel free to ask.
Is there any parking on the site?
Yes, there is parking available on the site. If you have any other questions or need more details, feel free to ask.
And which PPE do I need for that particular site?
The mandatory PPE for the site includes a hard hat, high visibility vest, steel-toed boots, and safety goggles. Make sure you have these items for your safety while on site. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
What are the start times and finish times on the site, please?
The registration window is from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and the entry cutoff time is at 8:30 a.m. The site closes at 6 p.m. and exiting after this time requires prior approval. For further assistance, or if you have more questions, feel free to ask.
Okay, just one final thing. If
How
there's
can I assist you?
if there's any incidents on site, where would I need to go to report that?
Report all on-site incidents to your immediate supervisor and ensure they are logged in the site's hazard report book, which is located in the main office.
Fantastic, fantastic. And do you have any emergency contact information for me? For any of the contacts on site?
For emergencies, you can contact the Health and Safety Manager, John Smith, at 02712345567, or the Project Manager, Sarah Brown, at 02765433210. If you require any further assistance, feel free to ask.
I was also told that I'd get a email induction form. Do you know when that will be sent?
After our call, you'll receive a text message with a link to the online induction form. Please ensure you complete it before starting work. If you require further assistance, feel free to ask.
No, that's perfectly fine. Is there anything else I might need before starting on site tomorrow?
Before starting on site tomorrow, please ensure you have your mandatory PPE, such as a hard hat, high visibility vest, steel-toed boots, and safety goggles. Make sure to complete the online induction form you'll receive via text. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Goodbye and have a great day.